Jared Holz, Mizuho healthcare strategist, joins us this morning. Some of his top picks include Merck and Biogen. It's great to see you. Happy New Year to you.
You too. Thank you.
Is the conversation going to change much this year, do you think, prior to what we've been talking about last 12 months?
I don't think tremendously. You know, maybe on the margin, I feel like most of the topics are similar. Utilization, the GLPs, how that all plays out. M&A has been a massive topic, obviously, the past couple months. We've seen a real buying spree from pharma into biotech. That will likely continue. It's obviously intermittent, but pretty consistent. So I think those are the three things really driving the sector. Obviously, the election year throws a little bit of a monkey wrench into things at times, but I doubt it's a major topic, all things considered.
Is M&A part of the Merck and Biogen trade?
Not really. I feel like both can work. They've both underperformed as of late. Merck's started to work. The chart's been better last couple of weeks, so finally there's a little bit of mojo there. Biogen's just been a horrible stock for so long. I think expectations are really low. Clearly they're going to be the leader for a while in Alzheimer's until other players get to the market. But it seems like, you know, we've been talking about Alzheimer's disease for so many years. Finally, there's a drug, and the street doesn't care. So maybe there's like a little bit of a sentiment shift at some point this year if they can get their act together.
But Pfizer doesn't get included in that camp. In terms of names that have struggled for so long, it's time for a turn.
Pfizer's not. It just feels like there's not much to do there. They've done so many deals. They've done at least 6 deals since 2021. I think they've loaded the boat from an M&A perspective. Now they've got to execute. Stock is not that cheap on earnings if you look at 24 and 25 estimates. So I feel like the Pfizer move has been made. They obviously tried to put out very conservative guidance a few weeks ago. Stock went to 26, 27, back near 30. Not much to do.
What do you think about the prospect for weight loss drugs in this year? Obviously, we've seen a huge run up. It's been a big talking point for the sector in 2023. What do we have on the docket in terms of studies, approvals, various use cases, total addressable market for 2024?
Yeah, there's a lot. I think we're still in the very early innings of this conversation. It's obviously going to evolve over time. You know, this will be the first year that both Novo and Lilly both have an approved drug just for obesity. So we're going to see the scripts kind of start to inflect. I think most of the street is very positive, as am I, on the adoption rate and things of that nature. And yes, there are going to be a number of studies from both companies looking at the GLPs in arthritis, looking at it in sleep apnea, even inflammation and neurodegenerative diseases in time. So I think all of that is really going to boost the interest. I don't really see the conversation dying at all. The stock price performance may not be as elevated as it was last year. Really going to be tough for Novo and Lilly to put up 50% gains again. But as far as like the narrative, this is definitely the number one storyline in healthcare still in 24.
Back above 600 today. Langone with nice remarks the other day about it one day becoming the first $1 trillion drug company. When do they use their currency, so to speak?
They've done a couple small deals recently. I've been a little bit surprised that they haven't been more aggressive. But on the other hand, they really don't need to. I think a lot of the business development, the strategy at the large cap pharma level is based on the need to acquire in order to kind of elevate revenue. They don't have that issue. So again, a little bit surprised they've been this conservative. They've done a couple small billion-dollar-ish deals along the way, but they could easily use it for something bigger if they wanted to.
Something to keep an eye on for sure.
Yeah.
Jared, thank you.
Thank you, guys.